Namaste, dear children. Welcome to class 3. Have you enjoyed Ganesh Chaturthi? This year's Ganesh Chaturthi is a nature friendly one. No children burnt crackers. So, it is a nature friendly. I thank you all because you also participated in Ganesh Chaturthi festival and the two nature friendly Ganesha idols you made and you celebrated. That is very good sign. Thank you. In the previous class I am discussing with the grammar page number 7 I completed. Today I will start page number 8. Page number I main question. Fill in the blanks with the help of the pictures. First one, what is this? This is a rabbit. Second one, who is that? That is a postman. Postman. Third sentence, what do you do? I work as a nurse. I have given answers already because to save the time. You may all know these pictures, but for spelling purpose I have written already. Fourth question, what is that? That is a book. Remember, after these words you need to put a full stop. Fifth question, how many ducks are there in the pond? There are 2 ducks in the pond. Sixth question, is this a pen or a pencil? This is a pen. I need to put full stop here after pen. Please provide full stop because that is the end of the sentence. Seventh one, what is the child doing? The child is eating. Simple answer. Eighth one, is Meena's hair long or short? Meena's hair is short. Ninth one, is this a snake or a cow? This is a snake. After snake I need to put full stop here. 10th one, where is the flower? The flower is in a vase. Here is the completion of the I main question. It is called vase. 10th one is the flower is in a vase. VASE, vase. Okay, I will go to the next main question. J. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the underlined words, then find these opposites in the word search. First one, my string is short, but yours is long. My string is short, but yours is long. In this sentence, first sentence, the word short is underlined So opposite of short is long. First one is answer given here, and they have made circle for the word long in the word search. Second sentence, my hair is wet but yours is dash. Wet underlined word. For that underlined word, opposite word is dry. D-R-Y, dry. I circled word dry in the word search. Third one, Puneet came early but Kimi was dash. Early word is underlined in sentence 3. The opposite word for early is late. L-A-T-E, late. I rounded the word late in the word search. Fourth one, I went east but Shubha went dash. The opposite word for east is west. I rounded the word west in the word search. East opposite word is west. Fifth one, this is my right arm and this is my dash arm. Underlined word is right. To that underlined word, opposite word is left. I rounded the word left in the word search. Right opposite word is left. Sixth one, Laurel is thin but Hardy is dash. Thin word is underlined in the sixth sentence. Thin. The opposite word for thin is fat. Laurel is thin but Hardy is fat. I rounded the word fat in the word search. Next main question, K. Before going to the main question, some explanation here about the sentence. An interjection is a word which expresses a sudden feeling. When we express sudden feeling, immediately it will come. Some incidents we saw, immediately we express some words. If we saw a snake or a scorpion or some scary animals, we say ha, amma, ayo, like that. These words are called interjection. These are sudden feeling, expressing sudden feeling. We must always put an exclamation mark after an interjection. I have said that sentences, most of the sentences end with full stop, and some sentences, questions, end with question marks, and the third type of sentence is interjection, ends with interjection mark or exclamation mark, exclamatory mark. See some examples. Hurrah! We have won the match. When we win the match, we will say hurrah! We have won the match. Second sentence. Oh no! I dropped my sandwich. Oh, that boy or girl dropped sandwich. So he or she says, oh no! I dropped my sandwich. Third sentence, hush! Do not walk in the library. Actually, what is the pronunciation? Hush. Do not talk in the library. Actually, in the first I pronounced wrong. It is very silently we must pronounce. Hush. Do not walk in the library. This is the feeling. When we are in library, everything is silent. Then we say hush. Like that. Next sentence. Alas, my pet is dead. Alas, my pet is dead. Oh, means my pet is dead means pet rabbit, pet squirrel, pet dog, pet dog. If it dies, then we say, alas, my pet is dead. That is one of the feeling, bad feeling, sympathetic feeling. Oh, like that. Alas. Different sentences have different interjection word. Last sentence. Hello, it is nice to see you. It is nice to see you. Hello, it is nice to see you. When we meet our friends after a long period of time, then we say hello. It is nice to see you. This is one of the sentence. Exclamation, exclamatory sentences. Interjection, exclamatory sentences these are. And the exclamation mark is after these hurrah, bold letters, hurrah, oh no, hush, alas, hello. After these words, exclamation mark is here. And now I will go to the K main question. Choose the correct interjection from the box and fill in the blanks. Below the heading, the words ouch, hush, alas, hurrah, hello. These are the words. And which word we need to use below sentences? I will tell you. First one. Hello, what a surprise to see you. After hello, exclamation mark is here. Hello, what a surprise to see you. Second sentence. Ouch, I hurt my foot. Ouch, I hurt my foot. Immediately we say. In Kannada we say some Kannada words like that. In English, if we hurt our foot, we will say ouch. This is the word. Third one, dash. Let us go on tiptoe. Hush. Let us go on tiptoe. Tiptoe means walking on the tip, toe, walking on the toes, two toes, na? Means without making noise or sound, slowly moving. That is called tiptoe. Let us go on tiptoe. Toe means ಬರಳಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆಯೋಣ, ಬೆರಳುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆಯೋದು. Fourth sentence. Dash. No school from today. What we express the word? Hurrah! No school from today. That is the answer. Fifth sentence. Dash. The deer fell into the pit. Oh, see, beside this sentence, deer is there. It fell into the pit. Pit means gundi. Alas, the deer fell into the pit. ಆ ಜಿಂಕೆ ಮರಿ ಆ ಗುಂಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಡ್ತು. ಆವಾಗ ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಲಾಸ್ ದ ಡೀರ್ ಫೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಪಿಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೆ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಮೇಕ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಬುಕ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್. Put in full stops, question marks or exclamation marks where needed. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Home, Rita, he, what, hello. 5 words. We need to make sentences, and you can make 5 sentences using 5 words. Write L main question in your homework and send a photocopy to me. Children, here is the end of my class. Be in home, stay safe. Take care of yourself. Dhanyavad.